Hello friends, hope you are doing well. As you know, I always bring trending content for you.
So today, I've brought news that has caused a sensation worldwide. And what impact will this news have on the financial market is worth knowing. To find out all about it, make sure to watch the video.
But before moving forward in the video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, don't forget to subscribe so that you keep getting new trending videos to watch. Now, let's move on to the video.
Tesla Supercharger team. Recent developments and what's next. The Tesla Supercharger team has been in the news recently due to a significant workforce reduction. Here's a breakdown of the situation and what it might mean for the future. The news. In late April 2024, Tesla reportedly laid off a substantial portion, or possibly the entirety, of its Supercharger team, including its leader, Rebecca Tinucci. This news came as a surprise to many, considering the team's success in building a vast network of charging stations. Possible reasons and repercussions. The reasons behind the layoffs remain unclear. Some speculate it might be due to opening up the network. Tesla recently opened its Supercharger network to other electric vehicle, EV manufacturers in North America. With more users, perhaps Tesla felt the team managing solely their internal network wasn't necessary. Focus shift. Tesla might be shifting its focus to other areas like battery production or autonomous driving, leading to a resource reallocation. The impact of these layoffs is yet to be seen. It's unclear how Tesla will handle future Supercharger network expansion, maintenance, and potential technical issues. What to watch out for? Continued network expansion. Despite the layoffs, Tesla has stated its commitment to expanding the Supercharger network. It will be interesting to see how they achieve this with a potentially reduced workforce. Partnership management. With other automakers using the network, Tesla will need a plan for managing these partnerships and ensuring a smooth experience for all users. Third-party involvement. There's a possibility Tesla might outsource some Supercharger operations to third-party companies. Looking ahead, the future of the Tesla Supercharger team is uncertain. However, the core network is built and operational. The key question is how Tesla will manage and expand this crucial infrastructure while potentially working with a leaner team and a growing number of partner EVs.
Thank you all for tuning in to today's video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked what you saw and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.